Hello, welcome to chapter 4 We the Travelers 2 Making Sums Equal. In each of the following, there are two groups of numbers. Look carefully in the number in each group and their sum. Interchange the pair of numbers between two groups to make their sums equal. Try to do this using least number of moves. You could write each numbers on the small paper of piece. Okay. Now for first one, we have to swap 2 and 3. Yes, and this. Now adding 1 plus 3 plus 7 plus 9, which is equal to 20, and 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 9 is equal to 20. Then answer for part A is swap 2 and 3. Next for this you have to try with multiple try. Now we have to change 5 and 13. Then the answer will be 13 plus 7 plus 12 plus 15, which is equal to 47, and 5 plus 9 plus 11 plus 14, which is equal to 30. This is approximately equal, so we are taking that swap 5 and 13 is the answer for B1. Okay, next in C1 we are swapping what? 15, 25. Okay, now taking this 11 plus 25 plus 19 plus 23, which is equal to 78, and second thing 13 plus 17 plus 21 plus 15 is equal to 66. The answer for part C is swap 15 and 25. Next one for part D, swapping 77 and 84. Let us add these values. 77 plus 84 plus 78 plus 79 plus 80, which is equal to 321, and 81 plus 82 plus 83 plus 77 is equal to 323, where the difference is 2. This is the least match. So answer for part D is swap 77 and 84. This is answer. Okay. Next one, fuel arithmetic. Difference between different vehicle need different quantity of fuels. Like quantity varies 5 to 15 liters for the case of bikes, 15 to 50 liters in the case of cars, 150 to 500 liters in the case of lorries and tanks, 5000 liters in the case of train. Remember, we must save fuel as it is a limit of source. Reducing fuel usage also help cutting pollution. Electric vehicles are now available that helps conserve natural fuel and reduce pollution. So, electrical vehicles are preferred. Now the first question, a lorry has 28 liters of fuel in its tanks. Okay, first 28 liters. 8 is ones and 2 is tens. An additional 75 liters is added, adding 75. Where is the total quantity of fuel in the lorry? Okay, now the adding the first ones. 8 plus 5, which is 3. 1 should be added here. 1 plus 2 plus 7, which is equal to 10. Again 1. Here 1 is equal to. Now the total value is 103. Next, let us try this. To find the difference between 49 and 89. Let us calculate 9 plus 9, which is 8. 18, balance 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 8, which is 13. Again, 1 should be there. The answer is 138. Let us solve. Add the following numbers wherever possible. Find the easier way to add. Here we have to take the first one. 15 plus 79. The answer will be 15 plus 5 plus 9, which is 4. 1 balance where 94. Like that you have to calculate for each part. 46 plus 99 is 145, and 38 plus 35 is equal to 73. 5 plus 89 is equal to 94, and 7 plus 28 is equal to 104. 6 plus 20 is equal to 89. We have to calculate like this. Okay, relationship between the addition and subtraction. Find the relationship between the numbers in the given statement and fill in the blanks approximately. For this one, 46 plus 21 is equal to 67. Now the answer is 67 minus 21. The answer will be 46. 67 minus 46. Then the answer is 21. The same way. 28 to 287 minus 98 will get the answer of 189, and 287 minus 189 is equal to answer is 98. Here 198 minus 98 is equal to 100. 100 plus 98 is equal to 100 plus 98 is equal to 198, and 198 minus 100 is equal to 98. The answer is. Next, 872 minus 672 is equal to 200. 200 plus 672 is equal to 872. 872 minus 200 will get the answer of 672. In the each way, we have to write 78 plus 164 is equal to 242. Here, 242 minus 78 is 164, and 242 minus 164 is equal to 78. The same method is processed for part B, part C, and part D, where 462 plus 839 is equal to 1301, where we are subtracting each value, will get the other value. 784 plus 137 is equal to 921, and 921 minus 784 will get 137. 590 plus 234 will get 824, and 824 minus 590 is equal to 234. More fuels. A mini bus has 18 liters of fuel left. After refilling, the fuel meter indicates 65 liters. Now we have to calculate how much fuel has been filled. Now 65 minus 18, where 5 is lesser 1, so we are getting 1's tens from the tens value. 15 minus 8 where 7, and 5 where we have given 1, so we are getting it as 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. 47 is the answer. For cross checking, 47 plus 18, adding these values will get 65. This is subtraction. Let us solve. What is the difference between 82 and 37? Now 7 is greater than 2. Let us borrow here, that is 12. Here it will be 7. 12 minus 7, which is 5, and 7 minus 3, which is 4. The answer is 45. 45 plus 37, which is 82. We can cross check it. Using the same method, 57 minus 1 11 which is 8. Sorry, it's an subtraction. So we have to subtract it. 6, 6. Okay, where the answer is 66. Using the same method, while we are subtracting 23 minus 19, the answer is 4. 49 minus 21, the answer is 28. 56 minus 18, where the answer is 38. 93 minus 35 is answer is 58. Again, next to 84 minus 23 is 61 answer. 70 minus 43 is answer is 27. 65 minus 47, the answer is 80. You can use the same method to calculate these subtractions. Sum of the consequence numbers. The number that follows one another in order without skipping any number is called consecutive term, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sum of two consecutive number 1 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 4, 3 plus 4, 7, 4 plus 5, 9. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. Like that, we are taking here 4 number. Find each of the box above. State whether the sum of even or even or odd. Explain why this happening. Here 1 plus 2 where it's odd, 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 odd number. Okay, which means odd, odd means reason here is odd. One number is odd and another number is even, then it will give odd. Odd plus even which is equal to odd. Next sequence we are taking 1 plus 2 plus 3 where is equal to 6. Even number, odd number, even number, odd number. Here the middle term increases by 1 each time. Sum alternates between even and odd. The reason here is the middle number increases by 1 each time. Sum alternates between even and odd. Next here even, even number. That means here two odd numbers, two even number which is equal to even. Then the answer is, here the answer is box 1 where all sums are odd. Next to box 2, sum alternative between even and odd. Next to box 3 where all sums are even. Next, what is the difference between two successive sums in each box? Is it the same throughout? Let us calculate that one. Now here difference 5 minus 3 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2, here 9 minus 7 is 2. The difference is same. Next 9 minus 6, 3, 12 minus 3, 3, 3. Here 4, 4, 4 difference will be. The difference is same. For box 1, the difference is 2. Box 2, the difference is 3. And box 3, the difference is 4. Okay. What will be the difference between two successive sums for 5 consecutive terms? Okay, let us calculate. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 15, and 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 20, and 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 is equal to 25, where the difference between these thing is equal to 20 minus 5 is equal to 5. 25 minus 20 is equal to 5. The difference is 5. For answer B here, the same one we can take. We can add plus 6 is equal to 21. Next, adding with plus 7. Here 6 terms, which is 27. Next, plus 8 is equal to 33. The difference between them is 6. So the answer for the A1 is 5 and the answer for B1 is 6. Now let us see some more interesting pattern here. Here the patterns are 1, 1 plus 2 plus 3. Here 1 plus 3 is 4, 2 plus 4 is 6 and 3 plus 4 is 8. While adding these two things, getting 5 and 2 plus 3 is 5. The same pattern we are repeating. Notice how the sum of 3, 4 and 5 consecutive numbers are related to the numbers being added. Use your understanding to find the following sums without adding the number directly. Now let us calculate this one. For part A, the answer will be, I'm drawing here for part A is equal to, from the pattern we are taking what? A plus 1 plus a plus 2 here, which will give 3a plus 3. Adding the a's and 1. This is the formula. Okay, now 3a plus 1. Now subtracting the value here, that is 3 into where the value is 67. 67 plus 1, which is 3 into 68, where the answer is 204. The answer for this one is 204. The answer for this one is 204. Next, calculating part B. There is the sequence of 4. Then the formula will be a plus 1 plus a plus 2 plus a plus 3. Okay, now the answer will be 4a plus 6, which is equal to 4 into a plus 1.5. Here the average we are calculating 24 plus 27 divided by 2, which is 51 divided by 2, which is 25.5. Then sum is equal to 4 into 25.5, which is equal to 102. The answer is 102. Next, for and C, the consecutive term is 5. Then we have to add the same thing, a plus 2 plus a plus 3 plus a plus 4, where the answer is 5a plus 10 is equal to 5 into a plus 2. Now answering that, the middle value is 50. So 5 into 50 is equal to 250. The answer will be 250. 250. For this one, I am doing here for D option. There is 6 consecutive term. We are adding average. Average means for which one? 237 plus 242 divided by 2, which is equal to 479 divided by 2, which is 239.5. sum of is equal to 6 into 239.5, which is equal to 437. This is the answer for this one. Now, here the longest land route and adding large number. First here, the long distance can one travel by road in Talon in Russia and Sagres in Portugal. It is 15,150 kilometer long. In 2019, the north-south corridor was the longest and route within India, starting from Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir and ending in Kanyakumari. Do you know how long it is? Find out. Its total is 1855, and one of the place on the north-south corridor was 1855 from Srinagar, and Kanyakumari 1862. What is the total length of the north-south corridor in 2019? Let us calculate that first. Here Srinagar's distance. Distance from Srinagar is equal to 1855 kilometer, and distance from Kanyakumari, which is 1862 kilometer. Now adding total length is equal to 855 plus 862 is equal to 3717 kilometer. The answer is, the total answer is equal to 3717 kilometer. The total length of the north-south corridor 1855 and 1862. Now adding that large numbers, 5 plus 2 is 7, 5 plus 6 is equal to 11, where we are getting 1 here. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 1, 17, where 1 is given there. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. The total length is 717 in 2016. Let us 5-digit number. Magesh and his family decide to drive from Srinagar to Kanyakumari. He spent how many rupees? 21,880 on fuel, toll tax, and 38,900 on other expense during the journey. Now we have to add that. 0 plus 0 is 0 and 8 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 7, which is equal to 17. Here 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 8 is equal to 10. We are getting 1. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. If we keep the digit alignment, ones below 1, tens below 10, and here the answer is 60,780. Here answer is 60,780. Next, if we keep the digit aligned 1 below 1, tens below 10, so on. We don't need to label each place value. Okay. You have to mentally track it. 2 plus 267 plus 54. Here 7 plus 4, 1, 1 here. 6, 1 plus 6 plus 5, which is 12. Balance 1, 1 plus 2, where is answer is 321. Let us solve. First one, find the following sums. Try to not write that table format ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 at the top. Just align the digit properly, at least for the smaller numbers. Now we are adding this 238 plus 367, where the value is 605. Then 12 plus 123, the value is 135. Next, 1,234 plus 12,345 value is 13,579 is the answer. Then 46. Next here 46,120 plus 12,890, while adding these numbers will get 59,000 done. Next 878 plus 80,789 will give 9,667. Next 1,749 plus 17,490 will give 19,239. Now the Great Indian Road Trip. Nasrana and her friend planned to go for a road trip across Delhi. First drew to Mumbai, next Goa, then Hyderabad and Puri. Look at the distance marked on the map. Help us to here. First Mumbai, Goa, then Hyderabad and Puri. Let us add these values. First, here taking Delhi to Mumbai is equal to 1,600 kilometer. Next, Mumbai to Goa, which is equal to 590 kilometer. Next, Goa to Hyderabad is equal to 670 kilometer, and Hyderabad to Puri is equal to 1,055 kilometer. Now adding these values, 1,600 plus 590 plus 670 plus 1,055 is equal to 3,950 kilometer. Okay, the answer is the total kilometer is 3,915 kilometers they have to travel. Next, find two numbers among 5. Here the values are given whose sum is closest to the following. Let us calculate for first one. We are taking the value of 5,205 plus 4,840 is equal to 1,045. This is nearest to 10,000. Next for B option, here we are taking 7,995 plus 8,455 is equal to 15,550, which is closest to this one. 6 C part, here we are adding 6,220 plus 7,090 equal to 13,315, or next one 8,455 plus 4,840 equal to 13,295. This is next one 7,095 plus 8,455 is equal to 15,550. Here which one is so close? It is option A is more closer for this one. Subtracting large numbers. The place where passenger board a bus is bus station, and where railway station is a place where people boards train. Then port is known as where the ship board. Next, the port of Mumbai and Chennai are the two of the important ports of India. Here Mumbai and Chennai. Here shipping goes from Mumbai to Chennai must pass by another important port called Cochin. Spot these places on the map. Here Mumbai, Chennai, Cochin. While coming to Chennai, we have to cross Cochin. The total distance of the sea from Mumbai to Chennai is 2,700 kilometer. A ship starting from Mumbai first reach Cochin port, that means 1083 kilometer by sea. How much more distance does it travel to reach the Chennai port? Okay, now we have to calculate, subtract 2700 kilometer minus 1083. 2700 is given here and 1083 is given here. Now here 0 is lesser than 3, so borrowing 1 from here, it is 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. Here is, we here 0, we have borrowed 1, so 9 here, getting borrow from there. 9 from 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. 6 minus, here we have given 1, so 6 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. The ship has to travel 1617 kilometer to more reach Chennai. Okay. As you learned that the longest route is 15,150 km between Talon, Russia and Sagres, Portugal. The longest highway in Africa is 10,228 km long, connecting the city of Cairo in Egypt and the Cape Town in South Africa. How much longer is the land route between Thailand and Greece? Comparing, we have to minus these thing values, 15,150 and 10,228. Now can getting borrowed 10. 10 minus 8 is 2 and 4 giving borrow, so 4 minus 2 is 2, getting 1 borrow 11. Here it will be 4. 11 minus 2 is 9 and 4 minus 0 is 4. 1 minus 0 is 0. Here the total value is 4,922 kilometer. The difference is, okay, like that. Here we cannot try not to write the position of the, we have to mentally align it. 613 minus 154, getting borrow, it is 13. 13 minus 4, it is 9, and getting, you, we have given 1, so 10 minus 5, which is 5, and we have given 1 borrow, so 5 minus 1 is 4.